Hi everyone, my name's Brian, and this is my D100 short bed pickup, and which we're going to be restoring. I'll put some pictures in. This is going to be the first video of my new channel, and I'm going to document this and any other projects that I do. As you can see, we've got the frame all stripped, the body off of it. I've been working on it and cleaning up all the rust off the frame. As you see, it's pretty clean. We're not going to be sandblasting. We're just going to be using Pour 15 on it and be treating the metal prior to that. I got a few things I have to fix. I got to fix the someone looks like put a chain or something on the frame, bent it, so we'll fix that. And you can see also the cab mount is gone, so we're going to be fixing that as well. This one is also the same. So I figured I'd just start with this and do a video. Basically what we're going to be doing with this thing is I have a 440 which is going to be going in it, which is all the way over there, covered in plastic. It's a pretty nice motor. It's a 66 motor, so it's got the steel crank, and I have just about everything to put this together, other than I gotta get suspension parts, and we're going to be doing some upgrades to that. I guess you can put van from this era, lower control arms on it, and the springs will actually sit in the pockets of the control arm instead of on top of the control arm, so we'll actually lower the front end of the vehicle down. So we're going to do that. The control arms are just jacked on this thing. It's like someone hit something with them. Both of them are that way. So we're replacing all that. It's going to be kind of like a street rod type rat rod vehicle. Here's the bed. The bed is in really nice shape underneath. It's dirty right now. I got some more cleaning up to do on it. As you can see, the metal is in nice shape. The outer skins are not, though. As you can see here, they're looking pretty rough. This is actually the nice part of it. You can see here there's some rod holes in here as well. So that's all going to get cut out, and I haven't decided what to do with that, whether take it out completely and leave it and just brace the quarter panel, so I'm going to be putting new skins on it, or make a piece for it. So I'll have to think about that. But as you can see, this one is pretty bad. You can see the Bondo still on the inside of it. It's not worth saving. It's way too far gone. The Bondo is like almost a little over a quarter of an inch thick, and it's just junk. So, but the bones of the bed are good, so we're going to salvage it and save some money there. Got some brand new taillights for it, new old stock, and the cab is going to need full rebuild, and I'll document that when I get to it. The floors are just gone on it, so we're going to be doing that as well. Alright, that's it for now.